Hello, my name is Gabrielle Johnson, and I've got the X Factor. I'm creative with non-stop ideas. I'm skillful, flexible, and reliable. Student involvement, crisis management, communication, and event planning. I'm from Louisiana and Texas. In my spare time, I like to read books and play video games. A year ago, I transferred schools. I was nervous about a new environment, but my eyes over the semesters helped me adjust. I want to support others like my IRAs did for me. My ambition is to contribute to the best. So if you're looking for an impassioned RA, I am the one. Hope to hear from you soon.
I am Gabrielle Johnson, and thank you for watching my video.